Jazz continues now with an intermediate solo, act number 9, performing Hound Dog. Please welcome Isabella Swarsky.
Make me weep and moan. You don't really wanna walk on. All you're looking for is a home. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crazy snooping round my door. Oh, you ain't nothing but a hound dog, crazy snooping round my door. You can wag your tail, the dog's trail. You can weep, ooh, moan and wail. No, I ain't gonna feed you no more. Ooh, get away from my door.
See the elephant jump the fence. He jumps up